What's up, guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and 2019 is approaching us. And if you want to make money with Clickbank and you're just starting out and you don't really have a clue of what to do and how you actually promote Clickbank products as an affiliate, you want to make money with it. In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy and a kind of a plan of how you can actually start growing your affiliate marketing business with Clickbank, and how you can actually find good products to promote, how you actually promote those products, and how you get targeted traffic to go ahead and generate sales with those products. This is Clickbank for beginners. We're starting right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here. So we're going to just kind of have an overview. We're going to go through some steps, and then we're going to actually go through some different websites and some resources that I'm going to be talking about in this video to help you guys with your affiliate marketing businesses selling Clickbank products. So the first thing I want to do is kind of just give you an overview of Clickbank, talk about some tools you'll need, and the steps in which you'll need to take in order to go ahead and start selling those products. So if you're brand spanking new to affiliate marketing, Clickbank is basically an affiliate marketing marketplace full of products in multiple different niches. So you have the health and fitness niche, you have education niche, you have investing niche, you have all these different niches, and people have created these digital products and they put them online on this platform called Clickbank, right? And so as an affiliate, you can sign up with Clickbank. It's absolutely free, and you can basically sell these different digital products that you can find in the marketplace and typically get a 50% commission or more on any of the sales that you generate. So Clickbank is probably one of the biggest affiliate marketing platforms out there, along with like Amazon and a couple others. But as internet marketers, we all kind of find ourselves selling different products on Clickbank just because of the wide variety of niches that they have there, and then multitude of products that you can select. So that's Clickbank, and we're going to show you Clickbank in a second. I'm going to show you a surefire way to find the most profitable products, and we'll do that in just a second. So what you're going to need, some tools you're going to need, is what we call a sales funnel. And a sales funnel is just basically going to take interested prospects that are interested in your products, and it's going to take them through a funnel in which it basically will collect like their name and their email address and give them valuable information to warm them up to basically just increase the sale. Now, the good thing about building a sales funnel is you're going to be able to build a list, and from that list, you're going to be able to sell different products within that niche, which is going to be good because if you have a person that is interested in, losing weight, they may buy a product today, but they also may buy a product, next month on losing weight as well, something else. Maybe one product is about losing belly fat. Maybe another product is about like fasting or doing one of these diets, so that's something that, a buyer is a buyer. So if someone bought from you today, it's likely that they will buy from you down the road. Again, like I said, we're going to show you how to choose a Clickbank product, and then we're going to show you how to get targeted traffic. So when we're talking about a sales funnel, basically what I'm referring to is a squeeze page and a thank you page. So this is just a quick example. So on your squeeze page, you basically just want to give them, entice the lead. You want to entice the person that is coming to visit your squeeze page, and basically you want to entice them to collect their email address, right? And all you want to do is basically focus on a benefit, right? And in this example here, I'm in the make money online niche, and I have just a basic headline here that just says, free video, simple 3-step formula that reveals how a broke junior accountant started making $213 per day on complete autopilot in just 4 days. So anybody that is interested in like making money online, this title may entice them because they want to find out how I actually made, over $200 per day in just 4 days, and, showing them the system. So I'm saying you get a free video. Even if they tried to click on this video here, it wouldn't play. It would basically just prompt them to opt in to get their email address. Now, once I get the email address, I basically just send them over to a squeeze page in which I did in this particular sales funnel, I did a 3-part series on how to make $100 to $200 per day. Now, you don't have to do a 3-part series, but essentially what you want to do is you want to send them through a thank you page in which you want to give them more value regarding the product that you're trying to purchase. So if this was a weight loss sales funnel and it was like how to lose 10 pounds in 2 days, video, enter your email address, then you want to give in this video or report or whatever you're giving away, you want to actually, give them some valuable content on some tips, on some tricks, or whatever it is to start losing weight. And then in this video, in your report, you recommend the latest and greatest weight loss product that you can find on Clickbank. And then you can say, click the link below if you want to get more information on how to lose weight fast. And then you link them to a Clickbank product that's a high converting product, and then that's how you can actually start generating sales. Now, when these people have opted in, they're on your email address, your autoresponder, so you're going to be able to follow up with them with corresponding emails about that particular like weight loss offer and other weight loss offers that may entice these people to go ahead and purchase. So that's the sales funnel. The best way to create a sales funnel, if you have some expertise, you can create a website, and you can use, you have to get a domain and hosting, and you can get a plugin called like Optimize Press, in which you can kind of build pages. The easiest way for me to show you guys, if you want to just like a quick and dirty way to start building sales funnels, is to use ClickFunnels. You guys probably have heard of this. This is just basically a hosted drag and drop service that you can purchase, and basically you can build squeeze pages, thank you pages, full out sales funnels, within this service. And you can just try it out. I have a link below for it underneath this video, and you can get a 14-day trial before you even pay for it. So you can just go on there and see if this is something for you. But it makes it very easy for you to actually create sales funnels, because basically they have templates here. You basically just choose a template that you want, and then you can edit the template however you want for whatever product that you're selling. So now we're going to just go over to Clickbank. And so we're at clickbank.com, and like I said, it's free to sign up. So if you don't have an account, you just click on create account. You would fill out all your information, and then they would give you like a unique ID, a Clickbank ID, and that's what you're going to be using as like your affiliate link. So I'm not going to show you guys how to create an account. I'm sure you guys can figure that out. So what you want to do next is you want to go over to the affiliate marketplace, and you basically want to select the category that you want to sell in. So if we stick with the weight loss theme, I would go to the health and fitness category, and I would see what products are coming up. Now, when you go into Clickbank, it's typically sorted by popularity. And what I typically like to do is I like to sort by gravity, which shows how many affiliates have actually sold this product. So it really kind of gives you not only like the popularity, but it's really kind of giving you like the number of affiliates that are actually selling these products. So after me sorting, I can see that this fat disseminator system was sold by 201 affiliates, and that's your gravity right here. You can make about $25 per sale. It does have an average rebill amount here of $16. And average rebill just basically means that there's some sort of recurring membership component to the product. So you can get the initial sale, but then you can also get paid on it month after month as long as the person is, making the payment for whatever they purchased. So again, a good way to pick your product is to just go to whatever niche you're trying to sell in and then sort by gravity and then start looking through some of these products. You can actually just click on here, look at the sales pages, see if you like it. Read the information on their joint venture pages. It typically give you more information about the product. Now, if you don't have a particular niche that you care to sell in and you just want to sell the most highest converting product, I would suggest that you go over to this website called cbengine.com. And this website will basically give you like the whole Clickbank conglomerate, all the different products and all the niches. You can actually just go here and you can go on Clickbank Top Gravity, and it will actually sort the top products that are selling the most on Clickbank, regardless of the niche, right? So this is a neurology product. I think it's been selling, for a long time. It's been like the top product. And then you have that fat disseminator product. You got the red tea detox product, and on and on and on. So you have like the top products here, and you can see the gravity is broken down here. So you know that all of these products are high converting products. They're all selling. So you can just, again, go do your due diligence, look at the sales page, and you can start coming up with ideas on how you want to kind of craft your squeeze page and your thank you page, and maybe give away like a video or some free content, whether it's a video or a ebook, getting some content by reviewing the sales page and any information that you can find online. So now that you have your sales page, you can do that in ClickFunnels. You know how to find a high converting product. Now you have to get traffic to the product. So one of the fastest ways you can do or get traffic to your sales funnel is through what we call solo ads. So here on this website, this is called trafficforme.com. This is basically a solo ad website, and I can actually log in here, and you can actually purchase solo ads. And basically solo ads are basically people that have built, huge lists in the actual market space. So, like I talked about building your list. So these are people that have actually built out lists in the make money online niche and health and fitness lists and the crypto niche, that you can actually just go, you can pay for a certain amount of clicks and they'll send your squeeze page out to people on their list because it's already targeted. They've already opted in for, say, make money online or health and fitness products. So it's already targeted in individuals that we'll be looking at your offers. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, you would basically go down here. It says, what market do you want? You can see they have a couple different ones here: internet marketing, health and diet, personal development, survival prepping. But we would just click on health and diet. It has premium clicks here, and then you would actually just pay for the clicks, right? And that's it. And the people just kind of send you the traffic. So that's solo ads. The other thing you can do in terms of solo ads is just Googling like your niche and then like blogs on Google. So if you wanted to do health, lose weight blogs in Google or something like that, and go to some of the most popular blogs that come up in Google and check out the blogs, whoever the vendor is. Maybe you can contact them, see if they're building a mailing list. A good way to determine that is if you see an opt-in box and see if they offer solo ads, right? And then maybe you can work out a deal with paying them to send your offer to their list that they've generated. So that's another good way to do it. The other thing you can do is purchase banner ads, right? So again, this is more so about finding targeted blogs, targeted websites that are within your niche, forums as well that offer banner advertisements. So you can go to this website called Buy Sell Ads, click on the marketplace, and you can just click like, you can type in something like lose weight, and it'll basically bring up blogs or websites that you can actually, market to. So it'll basically give you, the different ad spaces that are available on these websites. It'll give you the amount of traffic that the website is getting. It looks like this one is getting 40,000 impressions per month. And then it will give you like how much it costs to market on these different websites. So it looks like this one is $50 for 30 days. And there's tons of websites here, on this site. So you can kind of just go through, and it has different categories here that you can pick. And then, or you could just type in the search field what you want, and then, find different blogs. So that's another way that you can actually get a lot of traffic to your site. If you need to make banners, you can just go over to fiverr.com and get banners done for $5, and they look great. The last thing I'm going to say about traffic is utilizing, a free traffic method, and that is YouTube. YouTube is probably like one of my favorite traffic sources because A, it's free, and B, it's super targeted, because people that are on here are typically searching for something specific. So if I'm looking to lose weight, I could be typing in lose weight, and I can see videos that come up. And what you can do as a marketer, you have your weight loss product. You could be creating content. You start a YouTube channel around losing weight, and you can be creating content that centers around keywords that people are already searching in YouTube. So you can do this, lose weight, and you can see these keywords are coming up. So people are typing in like lose weight fast, lose weight in a week, lose weight in a month. And then you can do this little method of just checking for different keywords, because these keywords are going to be super competitive if you're just starting out. So you can actually just kind of go down the line. I call it the ABC method. So lose weight A. So you have like lose weight at home, lose weight apple cider vinegar. You can go B. You can do lose weight by walking, lose weight by drinking water. And you can just do whatever you want. Lose weight journey, lose weight jumping rope. And then you can just take all of these keywords, if it's applicable to your product, and just create as many videos as possible and consistently create videos. If you can do a video a day, that's great, but maybe you can do like at least at minimum 3 videos a week, while you're doing some of the paid stuff, while you're doing some of the solo ads, while you're doing some of the banner ads, maybe even you're doing some pay-per-click. Pick a good free traffic method like YouTube, and then pick 1 or 2 paid methods, and do both of those traffic sources. Again, driving all of this traffic to your squeeze page. They're opting in, they're getting some free content, and then they're getting exposed to your Clickbank product. And then the more people you can get coming through that funnel, the higher probability that you're going to get sales. And again, you have to remember that you're also going to be building your list. So as you're building your list, you're going to be able to, sell other offers. And the bigger your list is, the more probability of generating revenue. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope all of that made sense. I would definitely suggest that you guys go ahead and take the time now and set out on your plan. Pick your niche, get your niche. Research some products, get a solid sales funnel and some content together, start a YouTube channel, and then start getting all your stuff together so you can actually start making money with Clickbank. I also link up in the cards my playlist for all my Make Money with Clickbank videos, so you guys can check that out. I actually go through some in-depth part 1, part 2, part 3, walking you through more in-depth videos on how to do all of this process. So make sure you check out that playlist. And if I can help, make sure you just reach out to me and let me know in the comment sections if you guys have any questions questions about Clickbank and how I can help you. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.